What it do, YouTube? Back, I'm back. I know. It ain't been that long. I know, I've been, god dang, gimbal. Yeah, I'm back though, man. I decided to go and record a little quick thing before I go stream. So, y'all gonna ride with me until I get the cookout, cause I need a Dr. Pepper. I need a Dr. Pepper for my stream. And they're the only ones that give you a big enough cup to be satisfied. That cup gonna last me the whole stream. But how y'all doing, man? Hey, don't forget, on my last video, I said 30 likes on my last car vlog. I'm doing one in the El Camino. I'm gonna do a car vlog in the El Camino. And if y'all get this to 100 likes, if you get this one to 50 likes, y'all get this one to 50 likes, I'm gonna go to a Cars and Coffee and get some footage of the cars in the Ville. I'm gonna give a little disclaimer now for the Cars and Coffee. It used to be once a month, so it was like you gonna get a big turnout. Like you gonna have a hard time finding a parking spot. They switched locations during COVID or right after COVID. I think I went to Cars and Coffee during COVID and it was dunk. But they switched like probably like 2 or 3 years ago. And now they do it at a church instead of the movie theater. And I'll be looking at, I got part of the group somehow. They let me in somehow. I don't know how. I only been to one Cars and Coffee. But I seen they moved it to a church. And they be like, yeah, sometimes it's a hit or miss. Because they do it every weekend now instead of the once a month. Because it used to be the first Saturday every month. Now it's every Saturday. And that's typically what happens though. If you do it too often, you're going to get dry spells. Man. And it's I need to try my homie's pizza spot. They got some, it's called Duco's. I still ain't tried it, and it's been open for a while. They got some oxtail pizzas. I ain't never had oxtail. So it's going to be the first time having oxtails, and then having oxtail pizza at the same time. But, I'm going to mess with it. I just really hate waiting on food to be made. That's just my biggest thing. But I low-key want to go and enjoy the atmosphere of his pizza place. You know what I might do? I just hate dealing with traffic too. It's a lot of things. I hate traffic. I might. I gotta see how. I know Friday is 2K day. So my cousin told me, first he said 24 hours with 2K come. I said, God dang, 24? He said, yeah, 24 hours straight. I said, dang, can we go to 12? He said, oh yeah, I understand. You can do 8 hours, so 8 hours straight. Can you do that? I said, oh, that's a lot better. I was down for the 12, but 8 is perfect. I think the longest stream I did so far was 6 or 7 hours. It's the longest I got. So 8 is like, I know I did at least 6.5, but I think I had a 7 somewhere. I can't remember. I can just double check. But yeah, I got almost 7 hour streams more than once. I did more than over 6 hours more than once. And I ain't gonna lie. If I eat before the stream, I'm not gonna get hungry the whole time during the stream. It just depends on what I eat. Cause if it start messing with my stomach, yeah, we might have to just call a audible. We'll be back screen will be coming up. Give me 30. 35, 45 minutes. You feel me? But yeah, man. Yeah, I might have another car vlog in the near future. It's my uncle's old car, and I got left with the responsibility to make sure to keep it running and driving around. So if I got to drive it around, there go a car vlog coming in that whip next. It's a Cadillac CT something. A Cadillac CT something. So that might come real soon. That'd probably be a Thursday or Friday drop. And then the El Camino, if y'all get to that light go, if you get this, hey, put it like this, if you get a combined 30 on this and the last one, hey, we can make something shake. I'm not even sure where we at on the light go. I ain't even looked. I posted a couple of videos, so it's not on my home page of my phone anymore, so I got to actually go to the video and look at it. But yeah, hey, I promise I'm coming right back. If I see it, the El Camino, I'm just waiting because where I want to drive to, and it got the anti-tags. Yeah. The other one's gonna come regardless. The El Camino, I might, I might let y'all hear the sound test. Put the mic right next to it and let that engine, hit the pipes on that thing. Put the pipes out for y'all. Do a cold startup and everything for y'all. But hey, you gotta, you feel me? The cigarette just hit my car. Hey, look, I wasn't really paying attention. Okay, it wasn't a cigarette. I see what it was. Something on the street flew up. I'll let something spark too. It ain't gonna be a seed. I'm just playing on GTA. On GTA, San Andreas. Yeah, man. I really gotta get up early, so I really just I've been trying to do a couple of videos a day. Like I said, my last 3 to 4 videos a day. I think I'm right now at 2 for today. But my live stream gonna be considered my third one. I ain't gonna even lie to you because I need to record some content anyways. And it's like, that's just perfect. Just record it like that. And I had another video. I did the Mafia series, and I got this idea for Belize. Just put the whole series into one whole video. It's 11 hours long, and CapCut, y'all let us download again on desktop for free. I appreciate it because my cell phone couldn't handle the storage of that download. I think how I like to download it. If I would have downloaded, it was like 100 and it's crazy. On my computer, it said 166. On my phone, for the same qualities, I think they're the same qualities, unless I went to 120 frames per second on my phone. But I think it was 60, the highest on the phone. On my phone, for 4K, I think 60 frames is the highest on the phone. Well, if it's 120 on the phone, just like the computer, I'll take that. And then it's like recommended, it's whatever, recommended quality or something, I don't know. And I always go to the higher. That thing said 366 gigabytes. I said, God dang, that's the whole phone. I got 512. You want to use what? Swear to God. Yeah, swear to God, you want to use 360s? I really need to delete some videos on my phone. I actually started to yesterday. And then when 2K 26 come, I'm deleting all my clips from 2K25 because we on something new. I did it with my 2K24 not too long ago. I was like, why do I say I 2K24? Like, why? Whatever clips is uploaded on YouTube, I can get it from YouTube. So, I shake life. You do this on the weekend? Yes, sir. Trying to get that huge Dr. Pepper. Oh, man. I need to run up a check. Run it up till you can't run no more. And I know Friday I'm gonna join AB Academy. I'm gonna try it out I need to make sure. I'm gonna join if it ain't like no you locked in for ever. I don't want no death row deal by joining this academy. I just wanna, you feel me, see what it's about, see how it can help me grow and what it's really about. He showed like people doing stuff. He said he can help you make $500 in a month. I'm gonna see if it's I'm gonna check it out. I mean, you feel me? It ain't gonna hurt. It's just $50 at the end of the day. You know, $50 is a lot to some people. It used to be a lot to me, but it's like I might be sick at first. Like, dang, I wasted $50. But in about a couple of days, I forgot I spent that $50. I already had another $50 to replace it. But I'm just looking at it like, it's part of my YouTube money anyways that I'm spending. It ain't like, you feel me? I'm just using my YouTube money to support that. What I already got paid for YouTube. You should be bad. I already made that for this month. I can spend it. I already made that in the last 28 days, so I can spend it on this academy. So that's what I'm going to do. I just want to try it out to see if it really can, if he can really do what he say he can do. I did his little challenge, posting every day of August. But I post more than just one video. It might be considered overflaturation. So September, just depends on how I feel. I might go down to like 2 videos a day for the month of September. Just to get that video time to grow and stuff. All right, y'all. I'm about to just end the video right here. We just sitting here. I was being nosy. I thought everybody get in the back seat and get it on. Cause they both hopped out of the car. But they just switching drivers. Like y'all wild in the cookout parking lot with the new street lights they just put in. They got the LEDs, HD version lights over y'all. Y'all bold. I seen y'all in the car. Y'all about to go straight to the back seat like y'all got tents on the front of y'all car. Y'all don't even got tents on the side. Y'all bold. But all right, y'all. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to catch y'all next time. Godspeed.